It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
We are loaded and about to be back in the wind. Let's go, let's get it. Yes, sir. That was quick. So I did have another load scheduled to pick up here going to Greenville, but guess what? It got canceled. And we got the 175, so I'm about to take my butt to bed. I'm headed to the crib. I'm like 15 minutes from the crib. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I looked up and see my load wasn't scheduled till Thursday. I said, let me check and see if this was canceled. I said, yes. I said, look at God. Look at the Creator. Look how sweet the universe is to your mans. That's right. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's eat, baby. Hey, y'all make sure y'all stay safe while y'all out here. Get to this money. Stay safe, fellas. What's good, y'all? So, somebody sent me something, a package. I didn't even know. It just came out of nowhere. But I'm gonna open this up. I'm just hoping it said Bigg Vic TV on it. I'm like, I didn't order anything, so what's going on? All right, so let's open this up real quick, y'all. Let's see what this is. I kind of low key got it open already, but we're gonna do it right here. So I'm trying to see who actually sent it. So they put a sticker over like to send whoever sent it. I want to give whoever it is a shout out. I can't. Oh, maybe someone else out there. Okay. Oh, this hot right here. We got a reflective vest. Oh, this is personalized right here. This is fire right here. I'm feeling this. Got the reflective joint. And guess what's on the front of it, y'all? Yo, who sent me this, yo? Shout out to you. Oh, only one thing. Oh, you missed the G, though. You missed the G. It's all gravy, though. We all get the picture. We know what it is. It's the thought that counts, yo. This is fire right here. I'm feeling this joint. But the G on the back, though, for sure. This is dope. This is a dope reflective vest. So y'all be seeing me rock this joint for sure, when I get in the whip, y'all. Yo, whoever sent this, drop a comment below, man, so I can shout you out. This is dope right here. I'm really digging this right here. I don't know what company did it or what person did it, but I really appreciate it. Yep. I needed a new one anyway. Look at the universe. Look at God. Look at God, y'all. I was just looking at my vest last night when I came in from running the Amazon run. I was like, yo, I need a new vest. And what do you know? The next morning, I checked the mailbox and we got a new reflective vest, personalized. Thank you. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Let's go. You know what? I just thought about something. I'm thinking Christy sent me this because she said it was going to take a little while for it to get to me. And it was a gift, a housewarming gift. Christy, did you send this? If you did, thank you. So I'm like, I don't see no name on it. It's dope. I'm digging this right here. Shout out to the box truck couple. Christy, if this was you, shout out to the box truck couple. She laced me up. Y'all laced me up. We just forgot the G on the big. Or maybe you told the people who designed it and they just didn't do that part. I don't know. But we in there. All right, let's get rolling. What is good, family? We back. It is a Thursday morning. I am headed to Columbia to film a live stream for the Charter School District, South Carolina Charter School District. Today's one of those mornings where I have to go knock this out. So this is gonna start my day off. I do have an Amazon load that I'm knocking out later on. I think I have to pick that up at like 9:15. So I'm gonna knock that out. But yo, we up early. I'm getting to the bag. Y'all feel me? Good, y'all. We back in the box. We about to jump in this truck, man. Go knock out this Amazon run. Yeah, get this money up, man. We getting this bread right now. It's time to get to the bag. You already know what it is. What's good? How y'all feeling today? This is part 2 of my bag journey today. Y'all see me earlier this morning. I was in Columbia getting that media bag. Now it's time to get this truck money. Trying to get this truck shmoney. You already know what it is. I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick. Then we're gonna jump in the box. Pre-trip it. Head on out. I'm leaving a little earlier today, so you know what I'm saying, I can pace myself just in case I run into anything crazy like traffic. You already know. That's what we doing though. So I'm gonna see y'all inside the box. Let's go. We are in the wind, y'all. Wow, I never really show this angle when I'm driving. So y'all see I'm rocking it, right? Shout out to the box truck couple, Christy. One love. I appreciate you. But we are in the wind right now, y'all. We in the wind. Oh, traffic. I tried my best to shake it. The Amazon app did too. It tried to take me a little detour route. Right, I guess we went around some of the traffic, but no. It says I'm gonna get there on time still, so I guess we gravy. I guess we Gucci. We gonna find out though. Look like it's starting to move a little bit up here, so I guess we got around a majority of the traffic. So let's get to it. Boy, it stink on this yard right now. Smell like something dead in the woods. So I need to find out. They said come in at 10:15 because my pickup is 9:15. Because I'm trying to remember if this lady said the time that I think she just said. Oh, about to find out though. Let's see. 10:15 is a whole nother hour. All right, so they want me to come in at 9:45. So guess we'll be going in at 9:45. Load the truck up. That's 20 minutes. So we'll get it in. We'll get it in, make it happen. Oh, this Mac is clean. Oh, this Mac is real clean right here. I like this. I don't know, y'all might have to switch it up and get me a Mac too. All right, Tri-State, I see you. Oh, that Mac too clean right there.
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high, but now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta, I can still feel locked up, like the head of a roster. Cause they'll take your soul from right up under your nose and make you feel like you did it just to obtain your goals. Oh yeah, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why if I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we can learn from other people's failures sometimes. I used to make believe and tell a plethora of lies. Now I see how actions take effect on my life. Cause I don't even have a portrait of this family of mine. I used to be speeding back on Easy Street. Hollywood.
Gotta knock out this last run, y'all. Get this off the truck and we gone. We in the wind like Schwinn, baby. Let's go. Oh, the new vest on deck. Shout out to Christy, box truck couple. Let's go. Well, that's gonna do it for the night. I'm headed to the crib. Tomorrow's a content day, unless I see something crazy pop up on the load board for me, then I'll snatch it up. Go get that money. It's been a plum pleasing pleasure as well as a privilege, ladies and gentlemen. You already know what it is. Always hustle. Never stop growing. Until the next video, I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.